Decided to take care of everything at once. I got my blood drawn to check my thyroid levels because I'm hypothyroid. This is a vlog, by the way. Starting out a vlog here. Don't fire me from my job. I love my doctor. It's one of the happiest things in my life is that I just like really love my doctor that I found in New York, which I think after going through so many freaking doctors in my lifetime, I just get excited that she has my back. I got a full blood panel just to see where everything is at in my body, which I like to do from time to time, and I haven't done this year yet. I got an antibody test because I hadn't done that yet. I got another COVID test just for peace of mind. I planned to get my next IUD. I have an IUD. I've never talked about birth control, but let's just hit it right out the gate, guys. I've had an IUD for the past 3 years, and now it's time for me to get a new one. I have the Skyla. I liked her. For me, I really liked her. I had been on birth control, pills since I was like young-ish, 16, 17, because I had ovarian cysts that were like super, super painful and made me really sick. So I was on it for a really long time, but then I also once, I guess 3 years ago, so when I was 22, I was like, oh, I'm just like so sick of taking pills. They really just mess with my body. Decided to get an IUD because that's what was best for me, and I loved my IUD. I've gotten questions about this from time to time, so that's why I'm answering. The actual process of getting it is hell on earth. So painful and but aside from that, I didn't personally have any negative side effects. I just honestly forget that it's there, but that was just a little pre-consultation that I had, and now I'm on my computer. I'm answering some emails. Life is really hard right now. A lot of stressful things happening that I'm not really speaking on, but this last weekend was my B-day. I just am trying to reset. I was doing so good at taking care of myself, and then I just had a bender of a weekend, to be honest, which was awesome and fun, but now I'm ready to just really chill out for a sec. Taking some supplements and on my hippie shit again. Yeah, I'm gonna do some work today. I'm gonna clean my apartment. I also got a new tattoo, guys. I'm gonna do a whole video on my tattoos because people keep requesting it. Wow, my arm looks filled. I don't even know if I like it, but it's too late now. It's too late now. Life's short, guys. Okay, I'll be back later. Good morning, it's me. Let me put my new glasses on. Oh wow, that's so much better. I got new glasses, guys, because I hadn't gotten new glasses in years, and my prescription has changed. My eyes are horrible. Truly cannot see this far away from me and back. They're pretty bad. I've only ever had the smaller Electron notebooks. I think I'm saying that right. I love this thing. It has really big pages, so I fit multiple days of journaling into a single page because I don't always just go off. And now it's all in one place, and it's so big. It feels like I'm writing a book, which feels more spiritual to me for some reason. I get really excited to write in this one because it's so big and hard bound that it's I'm gonna keep this and have all my thoughts from however long it takes me to fill this up, which will probably be years, and I just think it's really special. So this was a cool thing. Also, I needed a new one for work, and so I got a slightly smaller one. This is a lot more lightweight. Yeah, just more freedom, more space to just really fill up the whole page because I'm a messy writer. So it's like if I can have more room to like put it all out there, then that's good. Hopefully you guys find that interesting. Hey guys, it's time to take out my AC unit. I love when this time of year comes around because AC units, I swear, just like make me feel sick. I don't know what it is, but I can't wait to sleep with brisk air. Look, I got this fern and they're apparently kind of hard to take care of, and it grew a new leaf. Hi. And it's growing another one there. Hi. Oh. I've been propagating these little pothos guys for a while. They're very rooty, so I think they're good to go. This is the first time I've actually ever done this. I got a little soil. I feel like all my vlogs is just me potting things. I haven't done my like updated makeup routine, so I thought maybe I'll chuck it into a vlog. I'm not gonna talk through it all because that would be long. I've kind of been enjoying putting makeup on from time to time just to switch things up. Life has definitely gotten a little monotonous. Yeah, I feel like everyone is probably feeling that. So grateful to have like my semblance of a friend life back again, of just like hanging with my little pod, which has been nice. Yeah, there's only so much you can do. Let's see here. Love. Okay, I thought I'd talk about this really quickly too. Beauty Counter, when I worked with them a while ago, they were so nice and sent me like a ton of products, and their skincare is amazing and their makeup is amazing, and not enough people talk about this, but this is their Touch Up Concealer Pen. It's kind of like that Touche Clot YSL one, but that one's not cruelty free, and this one is, and that's nice for under the eyes. Maybe I'll use this Glossier Sky Wash. Try not to overdo it, but I do try to fill in like the little arc up here because I feel like that makes my face look just like a little bit more put together, but that's usually all I do. Hey guys, I got all pretty for you. We're gonna make dinner! Thanks to today's sponsor, which is Green Chef. I'm so stoked to be working with them again because you guys know we've been working together a lot, which is great. You guys must be enjoying them, which I'm happy to hear. If you don't know what Green Chef is, they are a USDA certified organic company. Nice, they're really tasty. Their sauces are beyond anything else. They're so, so good. Everything always ends up tasting like it's restaurant quality. My whole thing is that great way to learn how to cook. It takes out all of like the effort of worrying if you don't have all the right ingredients, and it has all these like nice little touches that I would personally never go out of my way to get all those special ingredients, and it's just set up exactly to have exactly what you need, which is great for food waste as well. They have a few different options. They have vegan, vegetarian, keto, and paleo, so it makes it really easy to try out a new type of eating. I think plant-powered personally is the best option because I'm biased, but It's a really great way if you're looking to switch to a new diet, such as plant-based, to learn to start cooking at home different meals that maybe you're not used to. Going plant-based is one of the best ways to lower your carbon footprint, and even that, you don't have to go totally plant-based. I really think incorporating some meals into your week is a great way to start. So if you guys want to check them out, you can go to www.greenchef.us/where-I-live-80 and use the code where-I-live-80 to get $80 off across your first 4 boxes and free shipping on your first box. So hopefully you guys take advantage of that if you're into it, and I'm gonna make a yummy dinner.
Workout. Get ready to heat
I'm
up
gonna do it.
the roof with a sizzling combination of hot jazz dance.
Like, I'm sweating. This is some nice
Are you
cardio.
working within your exercise training zone, guys? Are you at home? Well, if not, pick up the pace and
Wavy faster than
take it in.
Jenga.
Take it out. And again.
You can take my Lambo. I'll put on a tight show. You sure you can handle? Wavy faster than Jenga.
Now something new.
Guys, that got me sweating. Like, that's my new. I just did that for 40 minutes and it felt like 10. I know it's like corny, but that was actually really fun and would absolutely do again. Will do again. Okay, good morning, guys. Look at this tea that Sophie got me for my birthday. It just came in the mail. Sometimes I feel like when I'm vlogging, I just go into this mode where I'm like show and telling. Like, I just find things in my house I feel like I need to show you. And I've come to some conclusions. This game, very fun. Rose and I played it the other night. It's called the Confessions game. I got this idea from Damon and also Masako. They're like best friends, but they both did a video like answering these questions, and it was really nice. But you play them with friends and kind of roll a dice and then pick from like a category, and like it's some very personal questions that you share with each other, and it was really fun. I also got this one that's called Snakes and Ladders. The climb to emotional maturity. I'm actually laughing at myself at how woo-woo I have become. Like, every day it just gets worse, but better. Like, I think I'm getting better, but I'm in deep, guys. I'm really in deep. When I have a game that says the climb to emotional maturity, I say there's no going back. I'm having a good morning. I'll probably end this vlog soon. Some other nice things. I got a tarot deck. I'm excited just for me. I think I'm gonna paint this because it's this nice wooden box. I ordered this off Etsy. Some nice things, plant people, guys. Okay, what happened with my code is that it's for $50 or more. I think you get 10 or 15% off with my code. Some people are asking, but they've been coming out with some really cool things like cold control, lung guard, sinus protection, or sinus support. So like these are all really nice supplements for going into winter months. Okay guys, I put a look on because I realized, do I ever like dress up for my vlogs? Like, you guys deserve this. But it feels good to like get ready for the day. I'm gonna show you, I thought I'd done this with something fun that I've been meaning to do. This stuff is so cool, changed my life. It is a nut base that basically you make your own almond milk at home, and I've never really gotten into like buying almonds or buying cashews and then soaking them and then making the milk, and like it just feels really expensive and not just like kind of a hassle. And this totally changes that. They sent this to me to try out, and I've been using it for the past month or two, month and a half maybe. Like, I'm hooked, I'm sold. Like, I hate, especially being in New York, lugging almond milk home from the store. It takes up so much room in your bag, it's heavy. It's like such a simple problem, but it is annoying. And this is like shelf stable, so you don't even have to refrigerate it. You just do a few tablespoons and a few cups of milk, and you have almond milk, especially if you live solo or like eat your own groceries only. I feel like I can never use my almond milk before it goes bad either, and so this you can make like just enough for you to use for the week. This is actually one of those products where I'm like, this makes life easier, and it's worth it, because like I feel like people come up with like cool ideas all the time, but they're not necessarily like so useful that I'm like, I need to buy that. But this is like, I'm only gonna make my almond milk this way. I have cashew milk too, which I'm gonna try next. So I just added a few tablespoons in here, and then I usually do 2. Put it in here, just like so. Like a salad dressing container from like Whole Foods. Been reusing it because it's so cute, little milk jug, and it's so nice. Yeah, cool thing for almond milk, nut milk. I'm stoked on it. Okay, I'm still drinking my smoothie, but I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I hope there are some interesting moments for you all. I hope this vlog brought you some joy or calmness, and be sure to check out Green Chef if you're into it. You can get $80 off your first 4 boxes, and free shipping on your first box if you go to greenchef.us/where-I-live-80 and use the code where-I-live-80. So yeah, check them out. My lips are glossy, and I will see you all in the next one.